I am Chanchal Singh, Assistant Professor of Education, Government Degree College, Kilotran. Today's presentation is about human growth and development. And the goal of this presentation is to help the students to understand the meaning of growth and development. What is the difference between growth and development? Uh, what are the various principles of growth and development and the factors which influence growth and development? Uh, as we all know that growth is a sign of life, and every living being, whether it's plants or animals, have to grow. But talking specifically about human growth and development from a psychological point of view, the meaning of growth and development can be further clarified with the help of points which you can see on the screen. Number one is intrinsic changes. Now, the intrinsic changes are those changes which take place inside human body, such as enlargement of cells, fibers, muscles, elongation of skeleton, and increase in general volume of internal body parts and organ systems. Coming to the extrinsic changes, extrinsic changes are also known as quantitative changes, uh, such as means those changes which can be quantitatively observed, such as increase in size, length, height, and weight. Number third is subject of measurement, which means that the changes produced by growth can be measured quantitatively. Thus, changes due to growth are subject of measurement and can be quantified or observed in nature. Number four is lacks continuity. It means growth does not continue throughout life. It starts with conception and continues up to some particular age, but it stops when the maturity has been achieved. Here are few uh, definitions of growth. Now, coming to the meaning of development. Now, development is a more broader term than growth. Growth is just a uh, part of development. Growth always stops after a particular age has been achieved, but development is a continuous process. It continues throughout life. Uh, so it's a directional and progressive change. Means the individual, there are qualitative changes in behavior because of development. The individual personality becomes more refined, he becomes more mature. Development can be defined as progressive series of orderly, coherent changes. Progressive series of orderly, coherent changes. The term progressive signifies that changes produced by development are always directional in nature. They lead forward rather than backward. And the terms orderly and coherent suggest that there is a definite relationship between the changes taking place at present and the changes that will precede or follow them. It means on the basis of present development of the individual, we can predict his future development. Uh, 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 so development signifies qualitative changes in behavior like maturity, experience, betterment of individual and his proper adjustment in social and physical environment. And from psychological point of view, the following points, which you can see on the screen, can further clarify the meaning of development. So, wider, number one is wider and comprehensive term. As I have already discussed, that development is a wider and comprehensive term, and growth is just a part of it. Development continues throughout life. It covers all those changes which takes place within the individual, like physical, intellectual, and emotional aspects of human behavior. Number second is subject of assessment. When you talked about that, growth is the measure of, is the subject of measurement. The changes produced by growth can be measured quantitatively. But coming to development is a subject of assessment, because the changes produced by development are qualitative in nature. They are not quantitative changes, they are qualitative changes. So the changes produced by development are subject of assessment instead of measurement. Number third is continuous process. As Growth stops when individual achieves a particular age, but development is a continuous process. It starts with birth and ends with death. Number four, qualitative changes. Now, the changes produced by development are qualitative in nature. Uh, thus, development refers to the qualitative changes in behavior. Here are a few definitions of development. Now, coming to the difference between growth and development, how the growth and development differ from each other. Number one is lacks continuity. So, growth is not a continuous process. Growth does not continue throughout life. It starts with conception and continues up to some particular age or when the individual has achieved the maturity. But on the other side, development is a continuous process. It starts with birth and ends with the death. Number second is organism. It means that growth is the function of organism rather than that of the environment. Environment has nothing to do with the growth. But coming to the development, development is the function of both organism as well as the environment. The development of an individual is also influenced by the outside environment. Number three, subject of measurement, which means that the changes produced by growth are quantitative in nature, so such changes can be measured quantitatively. Uh, 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 Coming to development, development is a subject of assessment. Like development results in improved functioning of behavior, and such changes are always qualitative in nature. And these qualitative changes are not the subject of measurement, so such changes are subject of assessment. Means changes produced by development cannot be uh, measured quantitatively. So such changes can be uh, only assessed or observed. Coming to the quantitative changes, number four, changes produced by growth are quantitative in nature, increase in size, length, height, and weight of the individual. Changes produced by, on the other side, changes produced by the development are qualitative in nature. It refers to the qualitative changes in behavior, like the individual with the passage of time becomes more experienced, his personality becomes more refined, he becomes more mature, he can adjust himself in society uh, in a better way. So, such changes are always qualitative in nature.